Whiteboard Animation, presented by LGFX Tech, Learning Graphics and Technology Private Limited. We will introduce to our product and services. First, 2D animation. We provide best animation services to our clients all over the world. Second, e-learning content development. We introduce best ways to produce e-learning content. Third, motion graphics. It is an integral part of most every stage in creative process, from conceptualization to storyboard and editing. As such, they may have an interaction with higher level staff and clients under supervision. Fourth one, digital publishing. However, we also design books and publish them for our clients all over the world. Fifth one, illustration and digital coloring. As we know, illustration is a decoration, interpretation, or a visual explanation of a text, concept, or process designed for integration in published media, such as posters, flyers, magazines, books, teaching materials, animation, video games, and films, which as already provide in our company. Sixth one, audio recording. Our company also consists of audio studio where we record voiceover for our clients all over the world. Chroma shooting. We also create a green screen video shooting here in our company. And chroma cutting. As we shoot green screen videos, we also remove green screen effect as per our client. For more information, you can go to www.lgfxtech.com. For more concern, you can contact on this number.